Good morning. How are you guys doing today? As you can see, the social distancing is taking its toll on me. I have gone a little insane over here. Anyways, enough about me and more about you. Here is your assignment today. So, we're on Google Classroom, Mr. Dom's Language Arts Block 1. You go up to classwork, you click on that, and there's a new assignment called Weekly Assignment March 17th through 20th. All right, so you click on that and you go to that document. It'll take you to this page. So, weekly classwork. Here's your instructions. This is your classwork for the week. It's all due on Friday, the whole document. You should work on this worksheet during our class time, which is 9 to 10 a.m. So when you're not working with me one-on-one, you should be working on this document. Complete each section. There's 3 sections, okay? And then write your responses to each question in complete sentences. Complete sentences. A complete sentence is more than 4 words. So they need to be longer than 4-word answers. All right, so we go down. Here are some tools you need to use. You'll need to use voice type and you'll need to use read and write. All right. So remember, the read and write is the purple jigsaw puzzle piece, and voice type, you know how to use that. Here are your sections. Your first section is a journal entry. The second section is some would you rather questions. And the last section is an article on the musician Carlos Santana, and then there's some questions about that article. All right, so remember, this seems like a lot right now, but it's not due until Friday. You have 4 full days to do it. So here's your journal entry. Read each question, answer in complete sentences. First question: what do you think is the hardest part about this new way we are doing school? So I want to hear your opinion about what is the hardest part about what we're doing right now. What's the hardest part about this way we're doing school for you? Second question is, what is your favorite part about this new way we're doing school? Because I want to know what that is too, so I can know what I don't need to fix. You're going down to would you rather. You guys have done this before, all right? So you know what to do. You need to look at each would you rather picture and pick one you would rather do. You must pick one. You can't say neither. You have to pick one. And then you have to explain the reason why you picked that one, all right? So that's where you get creative. So for instance, would you rather be a snake or a stingray? My choice, I would rather be a snake. Why? Because I have a personal vendetta against stingrays ever since they killed Steve Irwin, the crocodile hunter. There you go. So that's what you do, something like that, something creative and silly. You got 4 of those. And finally, the Carlos Santana article and worksheet. So this one is on Newsella. You all have Newsella. What you'll do is you'll click on this link like this, and it'll take you to this website, Newsella. It will ask you to sign in. Sign in with Google. Click on that, and it will give you your Athena Academy email. So I have 2 different emails. This is not my Athena Academy email. This is my Athena Academy email. So I click on that one, and it takes me directly to the article. All right. Once it's loading, let's reload. There we go. So make sure that it's set. Oops. There we go. So you'll read all of this. It's a little long, but it's really interesting because he's one of the greatest musicians ever. And right up here, it said at 390L. Leave it there. Don't change that. That's the length it is. If you change it, it gets longer and you have to read more. So don't change it. So read all this. And then once you read it, come back over here and you just got these questions to answer, okay? It's 8 questions, all about 7 of them are about what was in the article. So all the answers you'll find for these 7 questions are in the article, but the last one is not. All right. So that is my spiel. If you have any questions about what you're supposed to do, go ahead and email me them. But other than that, good luck.